Okay, so hello, welcome to our channel. That's a mic. Here are disaster. Don't ask about this. So what we have today? Today, I really want to use that Geekom A9 Mega with that Strix Halo 395 CPU, so with 128 gigabytes unified memory. And what we have on it currently, it's like clean one, but after unpackage it's that one is with the Windows really, and I want to check something, new models based on really the llama.cpp, which is working better with the unified memory on Linux. We are still waiting for the Windows to give us that big patch that is coming in few days, probably maybe weeks, that will help with that systems with unified memories. But for today we want to use that one, and I am watching it. It's like, give me a second, I will try not this. Yeah, it's here. Not this one, but this one. So yeah, that's a Geekom. Yeah, so what we have that Geekom, and I probably already show it on our channel, but yeah, let's see it one more time. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, that's really professional. Oh my god, really? You have been here for like 1 week. What's happened? Okay, so that's the one. That's the Geekom A9 Mega, right? So a lot of micro USB-C, dual 2.5 gigabytes Ethernet LAN, HDMI, etc, right? So yeah, but this one is awesome. So for example, I have here minus form. Yeah, maybe later. But how we will connect to this one and really use that one and upgrade the BIOS and update the OS, etc. So I will use one of my KVM, and I have it here. That's like that's a small awesome piece of hardware, but I have it connected, so I will need to unconnect that one. So that's it. Whoop, you can see that. You should be able to. So this is GL, GL iNet, right? Yeah, GL iNet. Yeah, the KVM, the model version is GL RM1. So that's a really awesome piece of hardware if you are using them like really in your home lab. Then yeah, go for it. I have like no problem with that one. So yeah, I will now connect everything one more time, and yeah, we'll do that together. By the way, we'll need some kind of USB, right, to really copy the BIOS. You can use the KVM too, but probably it's gonna be easier and everyone have some spare USB pendrive. So yeah, let's just give me a second. I will clean things up here because what? By the way, yeah, that one. That's why I saw here. And yeah, that's for now. Cheers. Okay, so one more time, we are here, right? And yeah, that's the models, right? So which one I want to really use? I want to use this one. And here, thanks to awesome community, we have that info here. So the model is that Ornith 1035 billion parameters active. So here are the recipe to do that. And the guy who posted that mentioned that he used that AMD Ryzen iMax 359 Strix Halo, right? 128 gigabytes unified memory, and exactly the same we have with that Geekom that I already show you. Yeah, that A9 Mega, right? But firstly, always what I want to check is that BIOS versions. So what we have here are like really something new, right? So this is new. So let's unpack it. Oh my god, sorry, the coffee, right? What we have: startup, FI, boot, share. Okay, so that's normal. Give me a second, I will just go down. I need to connect the really the UBS, USB pendrive. And now what I want to do, I want to delete those by the way are the BIOS for the Yaris one, which is configured with few models too, and that's awesome piece of hardware. It's a really like a really good laptop in the different case, right? But yeah, but with the GeForce 5090, so yeah, that's our USB stick. So let's use that. And I already connected the KVM. I need to provide the password. I hope I remember for this one. I have a few of them really. Okay, so as you can see, that Geekom. Oh, by the way, I will need that stick. So that Geekom is with i9 Mega, right? Information about it. Wait a second. Sorry, postman, right? So let's I just checked. So this is the pendrive, right? What we have here, something new. You should, so you can see here that's AMAX, right? 395. That's Strix Halo with the 128 gigabytes of RAM, so unified RAM, right? You can see it, and this is, we are connected via KVM, and that's nice because we can really easily go and manage that one. So what you have here, you can see that I just put that pendrive in. Give me a second. There was like enable virtual keyboard. That will be helpful for us. So let's just check that one. Maybe it's gonna be F7 or F9. I should check that before we proceed, but let's check. If not, I will just do that one more time. By the way, you can always use the pause. Yes, that one, the USB flash. Okay, Let's check. Oh my god, it's more. I'm old. Okay, reading flash. So flash. I have hope that you can see that. Yeah, I cannot manage it really to get it bigger, but flash is going well. Don't enable pass. Okay, loading file, memory. So this step is important because, you know, we are just update. Oh, error, problem erasing flash. Update not successful. Okay, so let's see what they have here. Yeah, we just updated that. Nope. Security. Maybe that's the problem. Restart secure boot. Look at the secure disabled secure boot. Okay, let's try one more time. Give me a second. Okay, so yeah, wait a second. Yeah, okay, so sorry, that was my wife. So what we have here, we have some kind of menu or something like that. No, update procedure, nope. So what we can do, we can watch that one, but we don't want to. Okay, so let's just do the normal stuff. Oh, yeah, we can. Load previous value. What does that mean? Previous value. No. Let's see what we have here. So BIOS version is 0.12 and the EC version is 0.17. And we should have version 13. 0.13. Build dates. Okay. So let's try. Oh, secure boot is disabled, by the way. Boot. Okay, but the EC version is 17, right? So yeah. Oh, 17 is here. So we can just don't know on this one. And try to take that. Give me a second. I will just do one more time. The change. Yeah, go. Okay, let's give it a second. Okay, so yeah, we can unplug it. I will one more time plug it to the A9. I hope. And I'm here. So what we can do, we can just we'll just restore the secure boot. I will just disable that one more time. Let's just do that, and let's just click that F7 button. I will try to boot to that pendrive one more time. Yeah, we can. Okay, so I really cannot see that. Load image, loaded source, reading flash. So flash is reading, it's like 30%, 40%, 50%, 70%, 80%, 90%. Okay, and the A9 is like heavily swinging here and there. Loading file to verify memory. Are you sure? Yes, Okay, so let's see what will happen. Warning, system firmware is being updated, keyboard is locked, do not the power off. Once firmware update is complete, the system will be automatically rebooted, right? So we just need to wait. And let's hope that that's gonna bring our BIOS to the latest version. And the latest version is completed, updating my firmware, blah blah blah, right? Latest version for today is that version BIOS of version 0.13, right? It's always nice to upgrade your BIOS, especially when you want to have like your hardware 24 hours and behave themselves. Updating my firmware. Okay. By the way, I will want to use maybe not only. Okay, here's a Debian, right? 13. But maybe we will even use that AMD Strix Halo toolbox. And yeah, in the toolbox, that guy, he is awesome, by the way. Qzo, right? He mentioned the Fedora, so we will probably grab the Fedora, the newest one, the 4040. Okay. So, okay, our A9 is rebooting itself. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so Fedora, right? Fedora. Oh, yeah, Fedora, right? Something is happening. A9 is like, yeah, kicking in, kicking out, kicking in. Later races. Yeah, let's go with that one. Why not? We can check all of them. Okay, so ours is based on x86. Okay, there is no HDMI output, so I have hope that BIOS, yeah, here we are. And yes, I am downloading. By the way, it's already Windows booting, so everything looks correct to me. But of course I will reboot it and go to the BIOS and check additional information. So yeah, everything looks correct. So let's just, yeah, Windows pop up. So let's just check the BIOS version. You remember that we had 0.12 and we should have now 0.13. Really is not now. So yeah, as you can see, we have like 0.13 now. What I want really, so fun mode, it's a normal, and yeah, I want it normal. Restore AC power loss, I want to power it on as VM mode. I'm not sure what this one is, but I will just leave it enabled. RP function. Oh, here on the right, enable disable CPU virtualization. Of course we want to enable or disable RP, S5 USB charge, wake on LAN. Wake on LAN, I prefer that one. NVM RAID mode, nope. Wake settings, wake system from S5, enable or disable system wake on alarm event, no. JTC configuration. Okay, so that's strange, but we want to do that like this one. So we want on BIOS level to really give it as low as we can, because we want to, in the end, to Linux, so to OS, to manage that that unified memory. So yeah, I think we can live with that. I will save that. By the way, I will unplug that USB because we'll need, but that one is like crazy small, so we'll need that one to prepare the proper Fedora image. Okay, it's like still working. Fedora Media Writer for Windows. Yeah, we want to do that. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, we should check that program before the installation goes on, before we progress really. Okay, so here's that Geekom, right? Wait a second, I will check that. What is here? Whoa! What we have here? Okay, so something is broken on that pendrive. Let's check. We are IT right here. So what is that? 1.39 gigabytes and nothing more. Interesting. So what we have here? The yeah, I want to. We already downloaded it, right? So I don't know what is this. Oh, so it will take our, yeah, we'll take our USB stick and fix it, right? Or no? I'm not sure if I want to do that way. Let me see if we can do that a little bit different. So CMD, right? I want to open it as administrator. So this part, disk list, list disks. Yeah. So which one we want to repair, and in our case is that one. So it was use disk free. No. Help me activate. It was activate. Okay. Select disk free, free. Okay, and now what we can do, we can clean it up. Clean. Okay, so we should now see in our disk management. Okay, let's unplug it and plug it one more time. Okay, so we can now fix that. Okay, wait a second. Now it should be. Yeah, I want. Okay, so here it is. We fixed that, and we can move on. Okay, so yeah, we need to choose yeah, that one, and we want to use our image of Fedora, right? So yes, and now we need to wait, and I have hope that it's not gonna be like 29 hours later, but who knows, right? So we know that this disk already disappeared, and yeah, we really want to wait for that one to be done, because without this we cannot really progress. What we will do, by the way, what is the plan, right? The plan is that we'll take that A9 with the 128 unified memory with Strix Halo. We already updated the BIOS, right? Then we will install the Fedora 44 with the GNOME. You can probably go with the serverless too, but yeah, I just choose that one. So you know, we are here to just go and mess with the stuff. And then I will really want to use the llama.cpp, and but not this one, right? He used that custom llama.cpp, and that custom llama.cpp is fork for that CPU, so for that the device that we, for example, have. So that one with really not external AGPU, right, but internal one. So that's something that we will probably use. Probably. Let's check. That was is the number of, oh, so that was the one. The llama CPU fork with better CPU performance. If I'm correct, we want to use that one. XPP custom llama CPU fork. Clank. Let's one more time. Llama. Okay, that's this one. 30 minutes ago. That's normal. Llama CPP. Here are llama CPP. Let's check revision. That revision is somewhere, but I don't know which one. Okay, we will do that together. Okay, easy rock bull script for AMD GPU. That looks interesting. Why not use the lemonade builds? Llama rock. Okay. I think we will use that one. Seriously, Daisy button, and I got excellent speeds on lemonade. What benefit does it have over the pre-built CPU? Yaris crashes more frequently and has more issue. I was being a bit touchy. The one combination is much more stable. Yeah. By the way, if we talk about AMD and their rock, right? Because you have NVIDIA, and with NVIDIA you have CUDA, right? And with AMD you have ROCm, but that's not the end. You have Vulkan, right? So Vulkan is awesome. They virtualize like for NVIDIA and for AMD too, and they are really awesome to bringing the life of these things. But we still need to wait for that one. Okay, it's checking the data. So let's hope that we will. Oh, here, llama CPP for Strix Halo, so he used that one. Okay, I will add, by the way, that one to the LLM. Okay, so now we have our UBS stick, USB stick, right? So let's use that. Sorry, I'm just checking if I'm still recording really. Okay, so what we can do, we can now go to our PC one more time and yeah, just reboot it, and we want this virtual keyboard. Where is virtual keyboard? Here, because we want to erase that machine. And yeah, do that only if you know what you are doing really, because next steps will erase entirely. Yeah, it will erase entirely our machine. So test this media. No, start Fedora also live. Test this media, start Fedora. Okay, I just want to start it. So I have hope that that one will just load to the RAM, and then as live CD bring me the Fedora, then we'll be able to install it. And yeah, that's something that we will do. By the way, on that I closed that one. Let's see. Okay, install Fedora. Yeah, I want to install it. So that was not that one. That was not that one. By the way, I want to check something. Geekom PC. Yeah. How to BIOS. Yeah, that one. Okay, so we have here system. Yeah, here we have system. Okay, nice. So I will download that for later use, or if something went not really as we want to be, then we can always go back, right? English, why not? Next, share this with other operational system. Use entire disk. Yes. Encryption, encrypt my data. Nope. Okay, so delete format. Okay, you can see that we have 2 terabytes. Windows will be deleted, and yeah, I am afraid I know that I'm doing that. And now disk part, or parted magic, or something, or just Linux tools in the background. Just kill our Windows, erase that, erase the button partition, erase the recovery partition if it's there, because yeah, they show it what is there, but I just don't care in our case, so I just go and move with that. So the guy here use the custom MTP draft and the custom project, right, and the chat template. So let's bring all of this. Nope, I will not do that here. I will tell you what, we will do that on that A9. Okay, give me a second. Okay, sorry, I am back. Okay, where we are? Oh, success installed. So exit to desktop. We'll see. By the way, espresso. That's it? No. We want to reset it. Restart. Okay, I will unplug our pen drive and leave it here as everything. I don't know when I will fix all of this and clean up. I just don't know. Okay, so what we have here, Geekom, Fedora, okay, everything looks correct. For support, visit, welcome, start, Wi-Fi. I'm not sure if that one have Wi-Fi inside, it should. Yeah, it have.
Proszę kochanie od Kasi, tam jest jeszcze tego...
Okay, sorry, that was my wife. Okay. That's not easy, believe me. So in cafe 7, cafe int, right? Okay. Location services, nope. Attention problem reporting. Yeah, we want to be cool with the... Oh, that's gonna be LLM, not really. Okay, so I am right now in Warsaw in Poland, so let's go. Third-party repository, enable third-party repository. Yeah, why not? Okay, full name is gonna be cafe, right? Next, and the password. By the way, we are doing everything with that KVM, right? So that's nice because I can from the main computer do that stuff. Start using Fedora. So welcome to Fedora 44 workstation edition. If you want to learn, maybe later, maybe. Okay, so what we have here. We want that terminal and we want it now. So I can, yes, ID. That's probably very small. I will try to do that. Okay, dfh, what we have here. So put. Yeah, 2 terabytes disk. You can see here. And etc. So this one is Fedora Linux 44. Okay, that's nice, and that's nice. But always it's nice to do get update after fresh installation, and let's do that. Command not found. So Fedora use which one is the opportunity to provide command? No, let's check Fedora and get updates how they are doing that. Oh, they use DNF. DNF update. Fedora. Repository loaded. Yes, we want total size. What will be a lot of them dependencies? So let's check that together. Kernel 071. That's good. We want that one, the minimum probably. Yeah, we have the fresh one. Okay, let's use that. Or maybe a little different. So let's wait for that update. You can see here that it's like 691 packages will be updated. That's a fresh one, right? But yeah, we need to live with that. So what we can do in meantime, we can check. Yeah, we have Firefox. And we want to paste here the link. So we are here. And how to change that white thing. Okay, oh my god, we will verify 1030. Okay, thanks god, it's quick. Thanks for reference, helping me set effects as well. Some details that the settings device to patch case. Oh, someone used that with the 3090, two of them. Okay, no, everything nice. But we want that file. We want that file. We want that file. Oh, okay. Oi, that's me. Oi. Wait a second. I just go back with my mouse, and we went back from the KBM itself. By the way, you can hear that one, so it's doing stuff. Yeah, now it's loud. Okay, so we want to go here, and we want to get that one. Can I open the external new, take a screenshot? Nope, I want to open the new terminal. Really? New window, okay. So where we are here. Okay, so cd download. Okay, LSL. Okay, and let's just grab that Jinja. You can see that we have Jinja now here, so yeah, that's good. Okay, close that one. Nice. I don't know what I am doing. This is the GNOME, right? I'm not fan of this UI. Yeah, not fan of it at all. But we need to wait. Okay, so updates. We have here like upgrade or something like that. No repositories, DNF. What we can do? Help me. Do install upgrade distro sync. So we want to do that one. Nothing to do. So everything is here. Yes, everything is here. Now we just updated a lot of package, so it's always nice to do a reboot. And please create operation, closing computer and logging out other user. Really. So yeah, it's GNOME. I'm not fan of it. Maybe you are. Maybe not. Who knows? But we need to live with that one because I downloaded this one. You can go to the Fedora, by the way, and just probably took that one if you want, or the KDE version with the KDE Plasma. It's more like Windows one, and yeah, everyone is saying right now that the GNOME is mature enough, but I'm not sure really. I'm not sure really. Okay, so that's strange, but let's do that. Maybe nope. Clear light. Okay, I will just give that as big as I can because we'll do fun stuff here now. So I downloaded those files that we will need. Now we will go to that llama and update how to apply blah blah blah. Kernel parent unlocking large GPU memory. Okay, you must increasingly limits to allow the GPU to map large portion of system RAM. Required kernel parameters. add the following promise to your kernel command line for device with 128 gigabytes. How to apply, edit this one. So let's see if we have nano. Yeah, we have nano, thanks God. We have that. Nope. Let's see. Edit, increase memory. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, we are not root, right? So let's do that one more time, and yeah, and we want to do that. Oh, undefined command not found. Okay. Okay. It was which one? It was that. Yeah, I need to go. DNF. Yeah. Sudo DNF install update init rams. Init. Sorry, I just took the coffee, but I still need time to kick in. Okay, let's go one more time here, and one we need lower the barriers. Okay, platform to fix that interpretable kernel parameters regarding the GPU. Okay, so look at kernel parameters at this point. How to apply? We need this, and we need this. And the problem is that we need to install that one, regenerate art. Okay, Fedora is drag code instead of depend based on and why I choose Fedora? Oh, here's the drag code. Okay, update init rams UK or I hate that, but we'll use that. I really start to think that maybe I will really go with the Debian one. Let's check if we can use that. Drag codes. Okay. Creating image. It Y6. Oh yeah, 713. Okay, better, looks better. Okay, now we will reboot and we'll see if that still's working. Then we want follow the official rock instruction. Okay. Ubuntu Debian, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Oracle Ruckus, Ubuntu. And Fedora is based on which one? Red Hat. So Red Hat, Fedora serves the testing for Red Hat. So let's go with the Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Caution, ensure the installation prerequisites. You name. Before installing, complete the following prerequisites. You name to check the current version of your Linux system. Example. Nope. Additional development package. Okay. Using UDEF roles. Grant GPU access to all users on the system. Okay. Rock doesn't currently support the graphic. If your system has an AMD GPU installed, disable the BIOS prior to using Rock. If the driver can enumerate the eGPU, the Rock runtime may crash the system even when omission was via secure boot. There is a lot of things that we need to do really, but let's check if we just if we can just use that one. Maybe we can check the toolbox firstly, because I choose the Fedora because of them, really. So, and the Strix Halo toolbox, right? Yeah, the QSO one, quick start. Warning, current rock on 90s board comps location. If you need larger model, prefer stable board rate rock 724. Stable box, experimental custom box, device control house reference group and option automatic final toolbox creation append quick start. Llama devices, run interface. Okay, so that's not gonna be easy because we will need to do that crazy stuff. Okay, so let's do them. Okay, required rock instruction, increase the VRAM allocation on AMD plus under Linux view of a cluster. I don't want to mess with the cluster calculation. Sudo grab update kernel increase the VRAM allocation on AMD AI APUs under Linux. System optimization. To remove arguments, calculates the group based reboots to the old way and I just did that one more time. So required kernel parameters we have here, how to apply. So we did that. Okay, so we did that following the official instruction. Block everything. It's gonna be Red Hat. Fedora is based on Enterprise is under Linux once Fedora are both Fedora is directed CentOS. I did it one more time. Did not go back. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do that. Let's just check that one. Sorry, I want to see if I have here everything. Yeah. Oh my god. Sudo nano, and we just want this one, and we want to have nano because we'll need to add these things. Okay. Oh, no. Yes, let's check that. No. Yes, safe mode. No. Let's do that one more time. Because we want only this. Yes, we want to save that, and we will check that one together. Okay, so sudo dnf install rock. Let's see. It is okay. Yes, this is okay. Okay, that's starting to happen. I'm afraid caution about these things. Verify the kernel version. Config the system has a support Linux version. We have. Verify the kernel version. We have. Register enterprise Linux. We don't want it. Update your enterprise Linux. We don't want it. Additional package repository. Not sure we want this. Additional development package. We will see if it's gonna install itself or no. Configure permission for GPUs. That one is strange. There are two primary methods to configure GPU access for ROC. Group membership rules, blah blah blah, using group memberships. Video render log name. Okay. Sudo blah blah blah. Optional add user. To add all future users to the render and video groups by default run the following commands using udef rules. I don't want udef rules, so yeah, no way. We will see. We will see. On installing, I don't want to install. We just want to install that. Then we will just git clone that repository, and yeah, we'll check if we can retake that model. Okay, let's wait. It's 78%, so it's like doing free stuff at the same time. It's gonna download 22 gigabytes. Yeah, extra will be used at 20 gigabytes. Okay, so we need to download that. Importing OpenGPU key. Yes, we want this. The key was successfully imported. Okay, we need to use that key to proceed really. And let's wait. Let's finger cross that it's not. It will not fail. What we can do? We can wait. By the way, subscribe, thumb up. I know I'm like crazy slow sometimes, but you need to know that everything's is new for me too, with this recording, talking and doing stuff at the same time. Remove it. Okay, install script about using project for installation to set to version. Okay, script. Okay, pro-install check for rock. Okay, so it looks promising. Rock info. What we have here? Oh, that's a huge info. Okay, so I want to do that here. We have Git. Yeah, we have. So let's just do that. CPP for Strix Halo. Git clone ls cd llama lsr bump llama cp test llama cp version. Okay, installing Rockm llama cp on Strix Halo required. Yes, I know. Llama cpp version, bump llama cpp version. Oh, okay, so here is the rock 7 for, yeah, we want that one. Sorry, my bad, coupling. I don't want to build it myself manually, so let's just remove what we just download. Llama cpp. Okay, and just grab that one. And you will laugh right now, but I never remember that. I don't know why that needs to be so zip. Okay, let's xfz stuff, right? Right? Yes. xzf yeah, what? xf. Okay, that's better. Nope, it's not better. I did that wrong, and I will need to remove all of this. That's my fault, sorry. Yeah, thanks God. Those are Lily. Okay. Nice, better. Now we will download that one more time. I will do llama. Okay. Llama cpp llama cd llama. Okay, and now we will do that. Yeah, okay. We will see. Now. No. Okay. I'm not sure if I want to liberal path. Okay. Give me a second. Strix Halo opt room lib opt rockm lib. Where he's using that? Okay, so where we have that, let's just copy that. I will paste everything here. You don't need to do that like that. Lib, we have that. We have here lib. Lib, but it's everything here. So why he's using that opt rockm lib? Okay. Okay. I get it. I'm not sure if I need it. That's another story. So let's check if we can just run it like that. Okay, go init from file to open go file Ornith, no such file. That's interesting. We don't have flag to download it. Nope, we don't. So let's just bring that. Why? I did that one more time. So we need that GOF file, and we want to have that files. And where is delete? Why did I delete that? Whoa. Okay, so what? Much better result with for the Jinja template, quick template, like a lot better result. It replace the Jinja template with the one from the Jinja template. Tried pulling the current today file version history, so it was deleted. I'm going to this now. Can try that. I still have, so someone have it. Okay, so we stuck because they deleted that. Why? Why? That's good question. That's a really good question. Q4, Q5, Q6, Q8. So maybe you can use the Q5. So that file was removed. And we don't know why they did that, but they did. So they doing something now. That's strange. Let's see. 11 hours ago. So they re-delete that model, the 4-bit one. We will see. GitHub. GitHub. Only one public assets. So you have here what? Nothing interesting for me. I did it one more time. Sorry, clicking the mouse left. Okay, could one. That's strange, man. And as always, they did that on my recording time. Yeah. So what we can do, we can main, nope, history 10 commits. We want to go here, files, nope, there are no. Size deleted. Why? That's why you need to download all your models. Really. Really. How we can do that now? I can try to use that that Q5 version. So let's do that. Let's do that. But what we can do with that Q4 model, maybe I have that one somewhere. Let's see. llama models only 35B, right? And yeah, Q4 KM. That something had been wrong with that one. Because expose and open encoding endpoint with tool calling, it works out of the box. Yeah, I know. But they just like give us no information why they did that. The model, okay. So let's try. So we need to wait 5 minutes and yeah. Wait a second. I am logged here. Yes, I am. So someone else. Deleted goof version. Let's try. Let's commit. Let's see what community will tell us. Yeah, I know it's gonna be a big one. I mean the long one. But we have like few problems here and there. Yeah, I have 50 megabytes per second. I don't use the HF token. That's my fault. I should use that one, but that's really very close to my max downloading speed, so I can live with that one. The problem is that we need to figure out why they decide to remove that OS on Q4 version. You need to replace the Ginger template with one, blah blah blah. The Ginger template is you. Okay. So maybe we can even use okay, what we have here. Oh, I have like no internet speed thanks to that. Yeah, we are downloading hard, so let's try what we have. So today ternary bonsai was released. That's awesome stuff. It's 27B dense Quen based model with like, yeah, it's like small. So you can use that one. Of course, few percent of intelligence you are lacking with that kind of models, but if you have like only 12 gigabytes of VRAM, you can still use that and it's gonna be still awesome. You can call tools, so you can use Hermes. Those things will be not problem for you. That's why that Agent 21, I'm not sure if that one is like really good. I never checked that one. Maybe we'll do that together, but we are loving that guy, Carol Danish. So yeah. Following follows recent active linked dataset, Wikipedia rank linked dataset, new active deep I Ornith 3 days ago. So yeah. Let's see where we are with the downloading stuff. We still need 1 minute and 40 seconds, so let's just wait. We are still waiting. It's like 34 seconds. But why I was so not happy with missing Q4 version? I aware that everyone knows, but Q4 version, it's like the quantization of 4 version. It's very close to real model intelligence, we can say. By the way, that's intelligence layer is like only 11% of everything in entire model, but yeah, we can live with that. But Q4 version is nice, pretty, and everything and everyone, llama.cpp, LLM, every huge players are really preparing their tools to work with Q4 versions here and there. So that's why I'm currently really everywhere that I can. I use that Q4 versions, really, not the main one, the huge one, not the smallest one, the Q4 ones. Okay, so let's really copy that one. What we have here, Ornith writes to home cafe, llama. Okay. Okay. And let's use that one that we choose to use from the start. Where we are. Okay. Let me think about this. By the way, we want to use that yarn things to extend the really context to like 500,000 really. But firstly, I will need to do a few things. Notes. We have here notes. Yes, we have here notes. So we will use that QM. Okay, Q5QM, right? Q5QM. Where is my notes? Yeah, GNOME. Q5QM. Okay. Let's try it. Okay, loading model, so it looks correct. Serving model. So that's it. That's all. Hip hip hooray. I am not really sure. Yeah, let's load the hosts, right? And that was 1144. Hello. Hey. Okay. How fast you can tell me a story? And the Lost Kitten. Okay, so that one looks like it's working. So Yeah, let's try something funny here. We can start new, we can. So let's show. Yeah, let's go with the top. So for GPU, RAM is not used, release CPU memory. That's strange. Edge top. Rock show version GPS usage. Now this one is interesting. So how you can do that? An example could be wrote in blah blah blah. Let's try if we can. But subscription. No, it's gonna be nope. But yeah, but here that my power share, as I can go and SSH to really Hermes. So let's do Hermes update firstly. That my main Hermes, and let's see. So IP address, right? So IP address, now we are working on here. Yeah, I can copy it. It's not gonna copy anyway. Hermes has some kind of huge. Oh, Hermes GitHub today was some kind of huge release. Let's see. No, it's 18. Okay, so we can do with Hermes setup model, right? Right now I'm using Quen that 3.5 122 billion parameters, and let's check with the custom endpoint HTTP, right? HTTP, and that address, it was 192.50 something. Maybe not, we will see. 50 66 road 66 v1 because we want to v1. Yes. Oh, model name. Yeah. One more time. So custom endpoint HTTP, right? 192, because this is locally road 66. Still we have been missing that port, and that port we can grab that port from where was that port? Where was that port? Initialized, yeah, 434 and v1. So maybe now, yeah. So we can see context lens, auto detect, display names. Yeah, let's do that. So we can now go. I have that Hermes WebWI, and I have it somewhere here. Nope, here. One more time. Yeah, 8787. So you are there. You can see Ornith is active. Let's see if will pop up or nope. It's doing something. Yeah, doing something. It's calculating stuff. You're there. Is not easy. Question for it. Task prompt processing tokens progress. Okay, process task. So jestem. Co tam? Write me a simple snake game in one HTML file, right? So let's see how quick it can be. Decoding, you can see here that we are using like 600 tokens per second. That's nice. Thinking, simple snake game is single HTML file, alright, canvas based rendering, keyboards, controls, and the model. Okay. It's not gonna be localhost. It will be that one. Home coffee workspace, and give me that file here, give me that file here, and close that. Okay, let's see if it's gonna go and give me things that I want. Okay. Sandbox, open full page. Oh, okay, it's working. Nice. Yeah, I know I'm sucks at snake, but hey, it's working, right? Okay, so model streaming with the tool scores, and okay, so where I am, no, what will be weather for Sicilia, for example, for next 9 days. Let's see. Loaded map skills. Okay, so that's good. Loaded skill. Check the web. Nice. By the way, how is our Llama server is using 100 CPU? Okay, it's hot. But memory, it's not so. Let's do that. Free 1 gigabytes, use it 47 gigabytes, shared 1, and buff cage 76. Still available 77. That's nice. Yeah, I want to allow it. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh, one more thing I think that we will want to check, and let's do that. Hermes. Let's load the Hermes. Can you? I want to see how. Oh yeah, you can see here that it's 524.3K buffer, right? For cage, for user cage. That's awesome. I still have hope that few sessions in the same time will not kill it. That's good. That looks promising. Free approval. Okay, so that's the problem with the weather. If you want to check the weather for like next 9 days, not next day, not 6 days, but 9 days, it needs to check a lot of different sources. But hey, it's working. You have every kind of information that you really need, and that's awesome, really. So yeah, Hermes, can you tell me short story? Okay. That works too, and we are like 4%. Yeah, that's really awesome. I will use that one for sure. Okay, so that's it. Thank you one more time. Subscribe. I know it's gonna be a long one, but hey, have a wonderful. Cheers.